What's going on, team? Happy freaking Tuesday. Okay, so your exercise of the week is a Bulgarian split squat. All right, so what is the difference between a regular split squat and a Bulgarian split squat? Well, a regular split squat, both of your feet are on the ground. All right, so both of your feet are on the ground, whereas a Bulgarian split squat, your rear foot is elevated. So it's putting more emphasis on the front leg to work. And it also, Bulgarian split squat, it also challenges your balance way more than a regular split squat. Now, I love both. Both of them work very similar muscles. However, the Bulgarian split squat is just a level up. So if you have trouble with split squats, work on those first, and then you can progress to a Bulgarian split squat. How do you set up? All right, this is probably the most common question of like, where do I put my feet? Okay, so an easy way to do this. You're going to extend your foot, and then you're going to stand up, and then your back foot is right there on the bench. All right, then you squat down, you come back up. Now, say you're feeling it in this back quad. Okay, so that can mean one or two things. One, you have really tight quads, and you need a stretch. Stretch your quads, okay? Or two, you're too far out. So from here, just take half a step back, place your foot back up, and then try it out. All right? So that is the Bulgarian split squat. If y'all have any questions about this exercise, please let me know. If you have any other exercise that you want me to coach you up on or break you down, leave them in the comments below and I'll add them to the list. Other than that, have a wonderful Tuesday. Go win.